Okay, this is explanation of auxiliary starter relay install. This is a 77 FJ40. There's only one wire that needs to be cut, and I'll show that to you first. Remove the trigger wire from the starter. It's this guy. And cut the end. And strip the insulation. And supplied in the kit is the blue wire. And make that crimp connection with a proper crimping tool, like this. And this has a built-in heat shrink. I'll do that later, but make sure you get that done. That runs to our solenoid. The only other connection that needs to be made is from the solenoid here. This is the new trigger wire. Send that down to the starter. It just slides on the spade terminal. And the last connection is to the battery. This vehicle has universal cable ends. You can attach to the top side here. If you don't have this style of cable, you can attach here. I made the eyelet large enough to handle the 5/16 or the quarter, whichever you have on your application. That is all for the wiring. I mounted the solenoid here with just one bolt, as you can see on this side. You will want to drill and install a second bolt on this side and make sure that there's not excessive paint in between the bracket and the fender. That is the ground point for the solenoid. Once this is all hooked up, it sends battery voltage directly through the solenoid to the starter, instead of running through the ignition switch from the dash to the starter, eliminating the voltage drop. If you have any questions, give us a call.